Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use credits on Doordash, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. So if you already have credits on your Doordash account, you can use them when you're placing an order. So all you want to do is go to the page where you choose which item you want, click on it, add to cart, and then guys, your credits will automatically get applied when you are in the checkout section, okay? You can review your checkout. Make sure if you review your order, if there's any changes you want to make the necessary changes. And under the payment methods, you're going to see your DoorDash credits listed, okay? Tap on the Use the Credits button to apply the credits to your order, and just tap Place Order button. Just finalize your order like that, guys. It will automatically apply your DoorDash credits to your order, and you will only be charged for the remaining amount. You won't be charged for the whole thing, okay? You can actually also use your credit to pay for different things like taxes. You can pay for the tip. You can pay for the delivery fee. So it's not just the amount of the item, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.